Hey guys, for today's video, I'll show you the updated tutorial on how to change your name on Facebook. First, log in to your Facebook account. Second is tap the menu icon or the three horizontal lines in the top right. Then, scroll down and click Settings and Privacy. And then tap Settings. Next, tap on Meta Account Center. To change the name, click Profile. Then, click your Facebook account. Then, tap Name. Now, type your new name. It's up to you whether you add a middle name, then type your surname or last name. For me, I change only the last name because the letters I and A are switched. Reminder, make sure the spelling you enter is correct because if it's wrong, you can change your name on Facebook again after 60 days. After typing your new name, click Review Change. Then, choose how your name will appear on your profile. After that, click Save Changes. Alright, so I successfully changed name on Facebook.